Hey, Tori here. I'm gonna teach you what Clubhouse is, how to use it, and how to be good at it. Let's go. Clubhouse is an invite-only app that allows users to launch or drop in on audio-only chat rooms with like-minded people. It's like always having a front row seat to the best conversations on topics you actually care about. To join, you need two things, an iPhone and an invitation from a Clubhouse member. VIP status here, people. I got a question. Yes, you handsome stranger with a mustache and a question. I'm in marketing. Why should I care about Clubhouse? Isn't that just for influencers and celebrities? Well, in just a few weeks, Clubhouse has jumped from 600,000 to 8 million active members, gained a $100 million valuation, and hosted some of the world's top thought leaders from Gary Vee to Oprah, providing a whole new level of possibility for connection between brand and audience, all while you're still trying to figure out if Clubhouse is even still worth your time. It is. Now that we know what Clubhouse is, let's learn how to use it. Clubhouse is invite only. If you never receive this text, then you can't get in. You can choose topics you're most interested in from a long list to help customize the content the app will suggest to you. Algorithm. If you set up one profile, you know the drill. Name tag and a good profile picture. Not feeling what your homepage is showing you? Just tap the magnifying glass icon to explore a bit. Clubs are groups of users interested in the same topics. To find clubs, you can either go back through the Explore tab or look up something a bit more specific in the search bar. Once you've hosted 3 discussions or rooms on Clubhouse, you can apply to create your own clubs, but choose carefully. For now, at least, Clubhouse is only offering 1 club per user, so pick a club or topic you don't mind being around for a while. When you see a room you want to join, just tap it to start listening. Want to speak in a room you've joined? Press the hand icon to be added to the speaker request list. Want to leave a room? Just tap leave quietly. Now, when you join Clubhouse, you get a number of invites that you can now use to turn your friends into instant VIPs. They sign in, they follow you, they invite more friends, your network grows. You get the picture. Now that we know how to use Clubhouse, let's talk about how to be good at Clubhouse. Establish what you want to be known for and create a club. What do you want to talk about? If you don't have an idea, check out a few rooms related to your industry for topic inspiration. That inspiration will eventually equal your first Clubhouse club. Don't they look so cute? Find guests to co-host your events. The larger their audience, the farther your reach. STA, swagger through association. By getting people with large followings to co-host an event with you, you're not only going to get a cosign from them, but more importantly from their much larger audience who now all know all about you. Engage the audience. When it comes to Clubhouse, you are not the star of the show. Yeah, the stars are actually the other people in the room, so don't get greedy with the attention. You are there to start the conversation, not dominate it. Lastly, promote your next event in every event. Ask people to follow your account and join your club. That way you'll grow your numbers and they'll always get that ding letting them know when it's time to join your conversation. Well, if you like what you heard and you want to hear more, subscribe and hit the bell to hear more. Adios, people. Until next time.